Hello friends, this is Alexey again. I want to thank all my subscribers who continue to enjoy my weekly market updates. That means a lot. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation announced that it will begin shipping samples of its LV100 Type T-Series 2 kV IGBT module for industrial use this May. The new power semiconductor product is expected to downsize and reduce the power consumption of power conversion equipment for use with renewable energy sources. Module samples that Mitsubishi Electric will start shipping soon have a block-in voltage capability of 2 kV, which is suitable for DC 1500-volt power conversion equipment used mainly for large capacity systems of several hundred kW to several megawatt, including renewable energy power sources. Adopting 2 kV withstand voltage semiconductors will enable customers to simplify the design of their DC 1500-volt power conversion equipment. Panjit Semiconductor launched its latest family of 650V and 1200V SiC Schottky barrier diodes, which provide superior switching performance and higher reliability over silicon-based devices. Panjit's silicon carbide Schottky barrier diodes provide zero reverse recovery current, low forward voltage drop, temperature-independent switching behavior, high surge current capability, and excellent thermal performance. The new silicon carbide Schottky barrier diodes are aimed for engineers designing power conversion circuits for various applications, including photovoltaic inverters, EV charging pile, industrial motor, telecom, and server power supplies. Infineon Technologies added a new member to the CIPOS Tiny Intelligent Power Module family, the CIPOS Tiny 600V 15A. The new IPM is based on trench-stop IGBT RCD2 switches and state-of-the-art silicon-on-insulator gate drive technology to realize maximum efficiency and improve reliability, along with minimized system size and cost. The integration of discrete power semiconductors and drivers in one package allows designers to reduce time and effort spent on design, significantly shortening time to market. The module is suitable for major home appliances, in particular drives for room air conditioners. Teledyne LeCroy announced the launch of their new high-voltage optically isolated 1 GHz probe and power device test software, which when combined with their high-definition oscilloscopes offer the most accurate electrical characterization of gallium nitride and silicon carbide power semiconductor devices. The new Teledyne LeCroy high-voltage optically isolated probe provides design engineers with the highest confidence gallium nitride and silicon carbide power semiconductor device measurements. The new probe has the best signal fidelity, lowest overshoot and best accuracy, 1.5% when combined with Teledyne LeCroy's industry-leading 12-bit resolution HDOs. TankeBlue Semiconductor, a Beijing-based silicon carbide substrate supplier, plans to raise funds through an IPO to enhance its working capital for technology R&D and production ramps. TankeBlue is making progress in its silicon carbide substrate technology R&D and is looking to accelerate production ramps as the company is gearing up for a boom in demand for 5G, electric vehicle and solar power applications. TankeBlue developed China's first homegrown 6-inch diameter silicon carbide substrate. Founded in 2006, TankeBlue provides conductive and semi-insulating silicon carbide wafers as well as other silicon carbide components. Navitas Semiconductor announced that Gene Sheridan, the company's CEO and co-founder, will be a plenary speaker at this year's International Conference on Semiconductor Manufacturing Technology, CSMANTEC. Taking place in Monterey, California from May 9 to 12, the 36th CSMANTEC event brings together around 450 participants from different sectors of the semiconductor supply chain and comprises technical papers, talks, workshops, fireside chats, and manufacturer exhibits. Gene Sheridan will deliver his in-person plenary presentation entitled GaN's Expected Impact on the Power Electronics Industry to Electrify Our World. Led by applications such as EV and traction drives, energy storage systems, and DC fast chargers, modern designs have demanding power needs. With these strict performance requirements, silicon carbide has quickly become a semiconductor of choice. For engineers looking to implement silicon carbide in their high-performance designs, Wolfspeed provides reference designs to serve as the building blocks to accelerate the design pipeline. In this Wolfspeed webinar, attendees will learn about Wolfspeed's silicon carbide power module offerings and accompanying reference designs and evaluation tools, how to accelerate the design process by utilizing Wolfspeed's reference designs in a variety of applications, and practical design considerations with system-level and application-specific requirements to prioritize performance metrics. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.